What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video. In today's video we're going to be showing you a quick, simple, easy thing to protect your coilovers in the winter months, because as you know, in England it's quite harsh on winters. There's a lot of salt on the road, and when it comes to the summertime and you might have a change of wheels, you want to drop your car down and the coilovers are full of grit and crap and the collars are usually seized. So we have something called coilover covers. These are around £30 for 30cm long coilover covers. However, they do make these covers for specific brands, and if they don't cover your brand or measurements, you can actually contact them and get a custom tailor-made cover made. So let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, the coilover is a bit manky, so all we're going to do is just spray her up with some WD-40. Just use a real soft brass wire brush and just clean the threads up. The reason why we're using WD rather than water is because obviously, at least with the covers on, we won't get no stagnant water, and at least the WD will keep the threads somewhat lubricated. I'll give it a nice zoom in on the threads. You can see they're nice and clean now. So all I'm going to do is now just get a bit of WD on some rag, clean the whole coilover up as best I can, and then fit the coilover cover. Okay, so the design of the actual cover is obviously velcro together, and then you will have a little gap just there where my thumb is, which allows you to put cable tie in the top to tighten it, and same with the bottom. So I'll just quickly get a cable tie put in and then fit them to the coilover. Okay, so as you can see, cable ties are run through the actual coilover cover now. They're a bit of a pain, might need another person to give you a hand, just because where it comes through they can actually travel right down to the end and go past the point, so it is a bit annoying, but yeah, we got there in the end. So we'll now get this fitted to the near side front. Okay, so as you can see, the cover is now on and the cable tie is on the top and bottom. Obviously, because the cover velcros together, I'm now going to twist the cover around. So that the velcro side that joins together is at the back of the turret, where there will be less water and salt spray from the road. So now this side's done. Now we're going to move on to the rear, and then we'll speed through the other side. Okay, so as you can see now, we are at the back. Just adjust it a bit so you can see a bit better. Just spray her up again. Get the shock nice and clean, free from any debris. worst of it gone. We will now get the other coilover bag or cover on even. What I'm going to do for the back on my car anyway is just unclick the arch liner just to give me that little bit more room. Okay, so we've got the cover over the top of the spring. Unfortunately, I ordered the wrong length on the bottom. As you can see, there's quite a bit of thread exposed here. So I will order the correct size for obviously the rears, but for now we'll just put them on there because something is better than nothing. Now on the offside, so we are going to try and do the same as what we did on the near side. Give this a clean. Okay, so that's the driver's front done. Let's move on to the rear. Okay, so as you can see, that's the bottom, obviously cable tied on. We'll, as I said earlier, need to get a longer one for the rear, which I will be doing tonight. Okay, and as you can see, the top here is cable tied as well, covering the majority of the actual coilover. So we'll just get the wheels back on, and that should be it for today's video. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video on fitting coilover covers to the Mark 6. If you did enjoy today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more content on the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.